Good afternoon, guys. Today I'm live from Sun Insurance Agency. My name is Peter. For those ones who are tuning in for the first time, we do videos every week on Saturdays. And if you are new, please consider to look at this content and consider to subscribe at the end of it. So today I wanted to talk about the pre-licensing requirements in the state of Wisconsin. If you have ever wanted to become an insurance agent and you don't know how to go about it, where to start from, then I believe this video is going to be best for you. So please watch from the start to the end. So the first thing you have to do is certify the requirements which are set in a particular state. But for this video, I'm using Wisconsin. So if you live in a different state, you may want to check with your state, go to the state website and see the requirement they have. But if you live in Wisconsin, then you can use this video as a guideline. So every resident who resides in Wisconsin and wants to apply for a property, personal lines, property and casualty, accident, health insurance licenses, they must complete pre-licensing educational requirements. Uh, you must complete at least 20 hours of pre-licensing education, and that one has to be approved. It has to be an institution which is approved by the state of insurance to be considered for credits. And after you complete these pre-licensing requirements, you have to sit for an exam. So out of the 20 hours you are required to complete, the 8 hours are supposed to be, they have to consist of the principles of insurance, general Wisconsin insurance laws and ethics. And once the 8 hours are completed, so you need to complete this within a 12-month period. That's 1 year. And out of the 20 hours, the 12 hours, they must consist of policies, terms, and concepts, and line-specific insurance laws. The pre-licensing examination courses, these can be completed in a classroom setting, or it can be by self-study. You can choose to do it by yourself, either complete it online, and after you complete, you are supposed to receive a completion pre-licensing certificate. And after that, this one will give you a gateway to go and sit for an exam. The exam is usually done in a center and is being proctored. If you are doing a self-study, it has to have an affidavit showing that somebody who is not biased or is not related is going to supervise you to make sure you complete this exam. But if you are going to do in a center, they usually do in the community colleges. I know in Wisconsin they do it in MATC. Pearson Few, you go and sit there. I don't know if they have changed, but you have to do a certain number of questions. Some of them are multiple choice, and some of them are true or false questions. And you have to score at 70% to pass. So it's a pass or fail, and 70 is a pass, below 70 is a fail. And they give you a chance to do, I believe, within 24 hours. If you don't pass, you can register again to go and try your luck. But so after you sit at the exam, the educational provider is supposed to electronically bank or submit the course's information within 10 days of the course completion to the Commission of Insurance within the state. And if it does not, or the institution does not submit the credits within 10 days, the window would expire, and then it won't be counted. You have to start afresh. So the institution where you go and register, you have to make sure that they understand the requirements, and they have to submit those credits as soon as possible so that you can stay in compliance. So after you sit for the exam, the state exam, and it's usually on the same day on the computer, pass or fail. So after you pass, it goes to the state, and then you have to apply for the certificate or for the license itself. After you apply, it takes a little bit, few days. They can mail it to you, to your address, or you can go to their website and print it out. And from there, you can start applying for appointments for, you can approach companies like carriers if you are going to do property and casualty, personal lines. You have to go out there and sell yourself and talk to these companies and tell them you are a brand new insurance agent, you have passed, and you would like to an opportunity to be appointed to work with them. So I recommend you first decide on what you want to be, if you want to be a captive or you want to be a non-captive. I did a video, it's in my channel, about what is a captive insurance agent and non-captive. But briefly, a non-captive is when you can write business, solicit and write business for, it's open, you can do for any carrier. You are not restricted. And the opposite is true for a captive. So from there, you have to decide, weigh what are the advantages and disadvantages of both. And then once you choose one side, and you can go for it. In the briefly, that is what you need to do if you wanted to become an insurance agent. And after that, most companies, before they appoint you, they would need you to go for background checks. They take you for fingerprints, and like any other employment you can go for, to make sure that the person they're hiring is the right person they want. And briefly, that's what it takes to become an insurance agent and get that license. And from there, your license, usually in most states, you have to do the continuing education, which is done for every 2 years. In that way, because there are new things coming up, so you can learn and stay in touch and deal with this noble profession. So that's it for today. And if you have a question or a comment, you can leave it below this video and let me know what you think. So, but those ones who are thinking about applying, this is for the information, and I wish you good luck if you are planning to become a new insurance agent. Thank you for your time, guys, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.